with, we started this Healthcare Shansha celebrating in Mumbai, when on a monthly basis we used to call the top performers, and some of you were regular visitors here. Then these are some photographs where team visited the head office, and Anand sir and I was there uh, recognizing these top performers. Then we also had a good time. You can see Manoj Joris and Mahendra, Pankaj being there. Uh, After that, we celebrated our last December. We celebrated our LK Shansha in Goa, where the top performers was called to Goa, and I think we had a very good time recognizing the top performers. Some of the photographs I shared with you. Our CEO traveled there. Our CDO was there. Uh, these are some photographs Arjun and team with Sachin. After that, in the March, what we did is, in the JFM last year, we came up with the contest in February and March. In February or March, we decided that we will take the top 25 people in the channel for a business of 2.5 crore. I think that was the gate. 2.5 crore business in February, in the March, and we took the top 25 people to Kashmir, and I think it is one of the celebration that we had, uh, and we have a CEO who joined us in the event. You can see Parag there, Sudhanshu there, Manoj, Arjun. A lot of top performers of the channel, and the good news is that most of them are rocking this year also. You have Sanjay, I can see, Jabalpur team, Vikas. So we continued our celebration, and I think as we move forward, we started inviting franchisees to the Mumbai for LK Shansha, that we did from, I think, June to December, apart from the foreign trips. Now, as we enter into JFM, we are again launching top performers to the Goa, and I think from our side, the time period for this event, as far as we know, is clear. We want to do it in the month of May, like we did in Kashmir. But the only change that we wanted is that when we went to Kashmir, we were only top 25 people, and the demand from the regional heads and the zonal heads, and also from the territory managers, sales managers, is that, sir, we want to do something that we did at the time of launch. So I don't know how many of you know that when we launched Healthcare Shansha, when the channel was launched in September 2021, we took 100 employees to Goa, and it was one of the experience that we had in Goa. So what we did is that, okay, we will again celebrate our JFM top performers in Goa, and the discussion which was going on with the Anand and everybody is how to shape up this contest so that it gets aligned, it gets approval for CEO also, because we were not asking for 25 seats, we were asking for much more seats than that, because now at that time channel was around 170 sales managers. Now there are 250, 300 sales managers. So we decided that we will take a bigger contingent, a bigger number of sales managers, bigger number of territory managers to Goa, and if possible, we will also invite our CEO there. And possibilities are that if we do well and we will deliver our JFM target of 25 crore, then CEO will also join us. So we thought we'll take it there, little bit nostalgic, but yes, we wanted all our top performers to Goa, and we said we will not go for 20-25 seats, we'll go for 100 seats, and we want 100 people again in Goa. And when we wanted 100, the only demand from the CEO and the CDO is that, boss, your target is 25 crore, while you will go all out to do 25 crore, but since last week, based on the YTD portfolio movement of port business, we were, as a company wide, we are seeing the port business needs to be controlled. CEO said, I am not okay to give you 100 seats on 25 crore. I will give you 100 seats on only on the fresh business, so not on the port business. So what we have agreed with them is that we will get 100 seats not for 25 crore, we will get 100 seats for 15 crore. We have reduced down, so generally what you see is that our 30% business is still coming from the port. We said we will do 25 crore, but our fresh business target is bare minimum that we will do is 15 crore. So we have agreed for a Goa, but Goa is only for fresh business, and the target has been reduced from 15 crore, from 25 crore to 15 crore, and we will take top 50 sales managers. Top 50 sales managers, top 20, branch managers in Group A, then Group B, then there is an individual target, and all zonal heads, we will have 4 support training, and there will be 6 wild card. But mind it, this is only for fresh business. So whatever fresh business we will do from here till 31st of March, 1st of January to 31st of March will be considered as contest. And some of you may be feeling that is this good or easy or difficult. Let me tell you, this is a very, very easy number. On 300 sales manager that we are on board, we are taking in 3 months only 5 lakh rupees of average productivity. Only 5 lakh. मतलब 1.25 लाख, 1.5 लाख, 2 लाख रुपया आप कुछ भी ले लो. लेस देन 2 लाख रुपीज पर मंथ अगर हमारा सेल्स मैनेजर करता है, एवरेज 300 लोग, तो हमारा 15 करोड़ का फ्रेश आता है. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव केप्ट गेट एज ओनली 6 lakh rupees. Anybody can win. Any vintage, whatever is your target, whether your target is 6 lakhs a month or your target is 75,000 a month, if you will do 6 lakh rupees of fresh business in 90 days, how many days? 90 days, then you are eligible to be part of top 50. और उसमें से जो top 50 होगा वो जाएगा. Good, bad?
Excellent, sir.
Excellent.
Good, sir.
Excellent, boss. Very good, sir.
So I expect all my 300 sales managers to give a fight to each other. और उसमें से जो top होगा, मतलब महीने का 2 लाख रुपया बस गोवा जाने के लिए फ्रेश बिजनेस का. और उसके बाद फिर जो टॉप 50 है, गेम किस लेवल पे जाएगा वो उसके ऊपर. जस्ट 6 लाख रुपया. मतलब इवन somebody who is joining this month or somebody who is joining next month or somebody who is joining in March can qualify in top 50. You can understand that. And there is no surprises. Last year in Kashmir event we have one sales manager from Trichy who qualified. He joined in the February. He qualified in the top 15. I think there was a Madurai. And there were how many seats in 25? I think 10 seats was for sales manager. वो top 10 में qualify किया था.
Yes.
So this time we said we should give a chance to even a person who is joining on 1st of March. अगर वो भी कर सकता है तो वो भी top 50 में आ जाए. Which means as of today we have 250 sales manager on board. मतलब आप 20% team will go. 20% team will go to Goa, subject to channel revenue 15 crore. मैं अगेन बोल देता हूँ 15 करोड़ हमें न्यू बिजनेस फ्रेश बिजनेस में करना है. मतलब एवरेज एक बंदे से 5 लाख रुपए की प्रोडक्टिविटी चाहिए. तो हम अपना फ्रेश बिजनेस कर जाएंगे 3 महीने में. 1 महीने में नहीं बोल रहा, 3 महीने में. और लास्ट मंथ हमारी एवरेज प्रोडक्टिविटी 2 लाख से ऊपर थी दिसंबर जैसे महीने में. This is the power of, last month we logged in 4.5 crore from 200 people, which means that last month हमारा login per person 2 लाख से ऊपर था. And इसमें से कुछ लोगों ने 10 लाख भी किया, कुछ लोगों ने 1 लाख भी किया, कुछ लोगों ने 0 भी किया. So is it achievable, guys?
Very achievable.
आराम से पॉसिबल है सर, आराम से होगा.
खेल सकते हैं. आपकी टीम से लोग खेलेंगे.
बहुत ही जेन्युइन टारगेट था. बहुत.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
मतलब I will not be surprised. यार दीपक बोल फैन लगा देगा. बहुत फैन लगवा दे. बहुत गर्मी है. हाँ जी, जबलपुर नहीं है. यहाँ गर्मी में बैठे हुए हैं आग के ऊपर, 25 करोड़ की आग के ऊपर.
सर यहाँ तो बहुत ठंड है सर.
अरे सर आप ब्लेस्ड हो, यहाँ देखो पसीने आ रहे हैं। गुड। सो मेरा आप सबसे ओनली एक्सपेक्टेशन, whether you are in southern part of India, whether you are in eastern part of India, whether you are in western part of India, whether you are in central part of India, or you are in northern part of India, at least make sure that every sales manager fight for it. And good news is that I have kept 6 seats for wild card. तो 50 के बाद अगर 1-2 सेल्स मैनेजर या 1-2 ब्रांच मैनेजर या 1-2 रीजनल हेड जो बहुत जबरदस्त कर रहा होगा और वो किसी कारण से टॉप पे नहीं आ पाएगा, तो आप भाई पे विश्वास कर सकते हैं। आई विल बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट। एनी कमेंट्स फ्रॉम एनीबडी, एनी रीजनल हेड्स, any zonal heads, any sales manager, anybody? Is it a reasonable task? कोई ज्यादा aggressive तो नहीं मांगा?
One of the most reasonable thing can happen in this JFM. ये तो फ्रेंचाइजी का बिजनेस मान लिया सर आपने, इतना कम टारगेट दे दिया आपने, आराम से।
फ्रेंचाइजी की फॉरेन टिकट 10 लाख पे है और हाँ उसका गोवा उतने पे। यू आर राइट राजा। Because I want all my 250 people to really fight for it, because मैं ये साल में एक बार लेके आता हूँ। And I promise you, जो लोग पहले इससे पहले गोवा गए हैं या किसी भी इवेंट में गए हैं जहाँ पर मैं होस्ट था, अर्जुन होस्ट था या पवन या गणपति होस्ट था, we will be very good host. We will make sure that you really enjoy Goa for 2 days and have good fun. ठीक है? So I want a commitment from all the sales managers that they will qualify at least and then they will see. क्योंकि अगर मैंने 25 करोड़ कर दिया ना, तो मैं आपको गारंटी देता हूँ कि और इसमें से 20 करोड़ का नंबर मैं क्रॉस कर गया, 25 करोड़ करूंगा तो 20 करोड़ रुपया फ्रेश से आएगा। तो मैं सीट्स बढ़ाने की औकात रखता हूँ आप लोगों के बिहाफ पे। अगर मेरा फ्रेश बिजनेस 20 करोड़ क्रॉस हो गया 25 में से, तो कुछ लोग और बढ़ा सकता हूँ जाके सीईओ से बात करके। Just 6 lakh rupees every you should make sure as a territory manager, as a regional head, that आपका हर सेल्स मैनेजर एटलीस्ट गेट क्वालिफाई करे, चाहे वो 0 मंथ का हो, चाहे वो फर्स्ट मंथ का हो, चाहे वो सेकंड मंथ का हो। ठीक है? हैप्पी? जो सेल्स मैनेजर्स हैप्पी हैं वो हैंड्स अप करके बता दे मेरे। अनूप तू कुछ पूछ रहा है? आदिल हैप्पी है, योगेश।
Sir, this is from the business from the 1st of this month, na?
1st of January to 31st of March, RSD.
Okay. Okay.
Because this is all fresh business. Only fresh business, no port business. हमारे अभी तक 16, 17, 18, 20 सेल्स मैनेजर ही खुश हुए हैं यार। ऐसे मत करो यार। तुम्हें नहीं पता मैंने कितनी निगोशिएशन करी है। 10 लाख से
37 दिख रहा है, 39 दिख रहा है सर, 39,
हाँ 40,
42, 46।
पता लग जाएगा कौन कौन गोवा जाने के लिए दिल से जुड़ा हुआ है, कौन 90 दिन में 6 लाख बोल रहा हूँ यार। 90 दिन में एक महीने में करते हो तुम लोग 6 लाख। गेम बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होगा एंड आई कैन प्रॉमिस यू दैट दिस विल, टॉप वाला बंदा इस क्वार्टर में 25, 30 लाख भी करेगा। बट लुक एट द चांस फॉर एवरीबडी। So 63, 64 sales managers, I am excited about it, and I think I need 50 anyways. Okay, let's go to territory manager. We will take 28 territory managers if we do 15 crore of fresh business. How many? 28 top territory managers, of which there are people in group A and group B. 20 lakh is a gate for group A and 20 lakh is a gate for group B. So what we have done is that we have divided the branches in group A and group B based on their vintage. And अगर आप group A में आते हैं तो आपका 20 लाख का गेट है, अगर आप ग्रुप बी में आते हैं तो आपका 15 लाख का गेट है 3 महीने का। मतलब एक ब्रांच से 7 लाख रुपए महीने की एक्सपेक्टेशन है फ्रेश बिजनेस की, जस्ट 7 लाख। आपके पास 3 भी सेल्समैन हो सकते हैं, 4 भी हो सकते हैं, 5 भी हो सकते हैं। सिमिलरली ग्रुप बी की ब्रांच है, नई ब्रांचेस में है, अपकमिंग ब्रांचेस में है, तो आपसे सिर्फ 5 लाख रुपए की एक्सपेक्टेशन है टॉप में आने के लिए। अंडरस्टूड? एनी कमेंट्स गाइस? टेरिटरी मैनेजर्स?
यस सर।
यस सर।
बहुत सर आगरा से। यस सर।
एनी कमेंट्स फ्रॉम एनी अदर टेरिटरी मैनेजर्स? आप अपना ग्रुप देखने में इंटरेस्टेड होंगे मेरे को लग रहा है।
Yes, sir. Group.
बट लेट मी टेल यू, अगर आप ग्रुप बी में हैं तो आपको ग्रुप ए का भी गेट ज्यादा नहीं लगना चाहिए, बिकॉज ये जेएफएम है। Average expectation from Group A is not even 10 lakh in a JFM, just 7 lakh rupees to qualify a gate, and Group B just 5 lakh rupees per month to qualify a gate. अभी राजा ये एडवाइजर से भी कम हो गया ना?
यस सर।
है राजा? एडवाइजर बोलेगा 6 लाख रुपए में मेरे को वहाँ लेके जा रहे हो, साला इनको 5 लाख रुपए में गोवा लेके जा रहे हो, वो भी आप खुद जा रहे हो उसके साथ।
यस यस यस।
Because
अब क्या
I
सर,
want to celebrate.
3 मैनेजर को
Guys.
क्वालिफाई करना है।
हाँ, guys, I want to celebrate with those 100 people who have really rocked it out in JFM, and also this is the chance I am getting after the launch to get 100 top performers there. ठीक है? And by the way, as of today there are 70 operational branches. 70 operational branches में से 28 का मतलब समझ रहे हैं कितना परसेंट हो गया? ऑलमोस्ट 25-30%।
40% was
हाँ
40%.
40%, sorry, 40%. So I want more people to be there. Please सैनी को म्यूट कर दीजिए। Regional heads. I have 13 regional heads and I want to take 9 regional heads there. Subject to they are doing 90% of their Goa target. So I have not given you your sales target. I have reduced your sales target because your sales target is also our port business. I have said based on your size and scale, आपका सिर्फ फ्रेश बिजनेस का एक ऐसा नंबर लिया जो इजीली अचीवेबल है, इजीली अचीवेबल। मिनिमम गेट 90 का रखा है। तो फॉर एग्जांपल रीजन्स लाइक पंजाब, हरियाणा और यूपी, they have to do just 50 lakh rupees a month of fresh business to qualify. And today UP does 60-65 lakh of total business, and Punjab does almost on an average 45-46. Similarly, Ujjain, Patna, Guwahati, Kolhapur, Nasik, and Indore and Jaipur, all these branches, if you divide 120, it is 4 3s are 12, approximately 40 lakh rupees a month kind of business that I am asking. And most of these branches, most of these regions are operating around, Ujjain is operating around 40, 36, 38, 40 के आसपास, Nasik is operating around 35, 36, Indore has little bit of work to do, Kolhapur is operating around 36, 40, Patna, Guwahati is operating around 30 के आसपास for the month. So little bit of more effort, and anyway this was December number. JFM में anyway the numbers were going to go up. Regional head, is it tough?
No boss, no.
And I am saying 90% of this is a gate. 90 से नीचे हुआ तो obviously you will not qualify, and 9 people will go. Only some poor 3 people will not go. कोई 3 गरीब आदमी रह जाएंगे, 4 गरीब आदमी, बाकी सारे रीजनल हेड्स वहाँ होंगे। अगर वो I expect all of you to do 100% of it. So number of seats are really big for regional heads also. It's not top 2, top 3.